With the world's biggest battery in a fold, the fastest charge in a fold, and a very thin form factor, the VFOLD 2 is a beast of a device you need to check out. And this is my review. Let's get it. But first, let's begin with the unboxing. Did I mention this was designed in collaboration with Lowy? So you can see a lot went into this, even the packaging of this device. And this supports the Phantom pen, so we are going to take a look at that one as well. Inside, we are greeted with the phone wrapped in a sheet with some information you would like to take a look at concerning how to protect your screen. Other accessories provided include a 70 watts charger, USB Type-C cable, a SIM ejector pin, 12-month warranty card, a phone case, a VIP card that shows you how to use the NFC supported on this device, and now the phone itself. And for my first impressions, as you can see, this is a beautiful piece of technology. Very thin with some solid hinges as well. The device feels very premium in the hand, and also the leather at the back makes it so easy for you to grip while still feeling very thin at the same time. Look at this, guys. See how thin this is when opened. And the hinges, very solid as well. The aerospace hinge design, which is an upgrade of last year's integration. The hinge has been made better this year, and it can actually freestand from 30 degrees to 120 degrees. And we have a titanium alloy for the main body. The phone literally made me feel like a very important personality, and it feels so good in the hand. And if you're worried about opening and closing, this has been tested to withstand about 400,000 fold. On the right side, Tecno placed the fingerprint sensor inside the power button, a very fast one as well. A dual speaker setup on this device which supports Dolby Atmos, so giving you that full sound anytime you are listening to music. 5 cameras in total on this. Tecno was like, you're going to get it all, and I'm absolutely loving it. It comes in a cast green and the rippling blue, and it's IP54 dust and splash resistant. So when it comes to build and design, I love the design. It feels so premium in the hand. The leather at the back makes it so easy for you to grip, and the aluminum side, the hinge and all makes this so fun to hold. Very thin in the hand as well, and it feels very light. You're not going to be complaining about the weight at all. Now let's talk about where the magic is. The screen. For the inner screen, this is a 7.85-inch AMOLED display, and the outer is 6.42 and supports 120 Hz of refresh rate, and it's an LTPO panel. The inner display is where the magic is, and at this size you can do almost everything with it. For business, fun, games, you name it, and this is capable of doing all of it. Imagine watching your YouTube videos on this amazing screen, receiving your email about an important document, and quickly switching to view it on this very huge display. With the pen support, you can just sign important documents and get back to your amazing life. And when done, you can have some fun by drawing, gaming, watching your YouTube videos, and doing a lot more on this huge display. Does it get any better than this? You tell me. I didn't go anywhere without my microfiber cloth. I found myself cleaning the screen a couple of times, but it was actually easy to clean. When you don't want to use the huge display found on the inside, you can just fold this up and you still get a 6.6 inches display, which is big enough to do most of the things you want to use it for. You can place it on your desk, flex it to almost any angle, and with supporting applications you get extra functionality, like for YouTube, the bottom half gives you an interface for you to control your YouTube. And the crease, like I said, wasn't distraction at all. It's not invisible, it's there, but it's not going to distract you. You almost forget it's even there. It's one of the least noticeable that I've experienced. And now to performance. Just like most 2024 devices, AI, and this has a lot of it. This device comes packed with a lot of AI, but before that, this is running the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 Plus, Android 14 and iOS version 14.5. 512 GB of storage and 12 GB of RAM. And yes, it is a powerful processor and it's still capable of most of the things that you throw at us. I know it's last year's processor, but it still gets the job done, so I can't complain a lot. But now let's talk about the AI functionalities. But before we do that, there's this little accessory that allows you to enjoy all these AI capabilities very well. That is the Phantom V Pen, and it's time to unbox it. Inside the box, you find the Phantom V Pen, very beautiful looking, all black, and you get this nice carrier for you to tuck in your pen when not in use, and this charges by USB Type-C as well. For a businessman, a student, or a worker, this actually has AI writing. The AI on here is going to help you write some convincing looking essays, emails, text, and the likes, or even summarize emails or websites. And with the AI artboard, you can literally sketch anything that you want, and this is going to help you generate some amazing artwork with some templates to choose from. This is one feature I made a lot of people try and they absolutely loved it. You also get live transcriptions when you're on phone calls, and also in the notes pad you can do some calculations, all powered by AI. This screen also makes it very fun to game. It can play all the games at very high settings, but I noticed the device kind of got warm to the touch, so that is something you should notice. Probably put it on the case and you might not notice it so much. And when it comes to multitasking on this, the software on here has been improved as well, making it so fun to multitask. You can open 2 or 3 applications at the same time, swipe the middle of the display to split screen. Basically, your productivity on here is going to be improved with all the capabilities. Okay, there's actually a lot you can do with the Phantom V Pen. For instance, you can just click the button on here to access the shortcuts panel to your notes, or even on the lock screen, click this button to get to quick notes, or even take screenshots with this, just like that. And you can take screenshots. And whilst in the camera application, you can use this as your Bluetooth shutter button by just clicking this, and you take your pictures as well. You definitely have to play with this a little bit more when you're using the Phantom VFOLD 2. So in general, when it comes to performance, this is a productivity beast for games, fun, work, anything at all. This is capable of it all. Now to the batteries. Even though this is one of the thinnest fold device that I've ever seen, this actually has one of the biggest batteries in any fold device. This has the 5750 mAh battery inside and supports 70 watts wired charging, and also supports 15 watts wireless charging. After using this for over 2 weeks, there wasn't even a day that during the day I had to charge this. The battery lasted the whole day for me. I normally charge it when I'm going to bed, and that is me using the device throughout the whole day. Mainly using this for watching YouTube videos and listening to music. Now let's talk about the cameras. There are 5 cameras in total. We have a 50 megapixel main sensor, a 50 megapixel portrait sensor, a 50 megapixel ultra wide, a 32 megapixel found on the outside, and also a 32 megapixel selfie found on the inside. And these produce decent looking pictures. These are sample pictures that we're taking with this. Let me know what you think about them in the comment section down below. And when it comes to videos, this is capable of shooting 4K 30 FPS and with stabilization at 1080 60 FPS. And these are sample footages as well. Okay, so this is a front camera video test on the Phantom VFOLD. It's shooting at 1080 30 FPS. Let me know what you think about this. Also the mic, how does the mic sound? We're here to pick out what's sandals, right? Yeah. Picking up the sandals for his wife, so yeah. Let's see how it goes. So So in general, I think the VFOLD tool is definitely an improvement over last year's iteration. When it comes to building design, it feels very good in the hand. My favorite part definitely has to do with all the AI features that come with it, especially the AI image generator in the Notes application. Using it for work, having fun, watching movies, watching YouTube videos. This was absolutely fun. This is something you definitely should check out. I'm going to leave the price list in the description down below. Check it out, and as usual, stay liquid, and I'll see you in my next upload. Peace. I'm out.